wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a man who gets
It's good morning on August 11th. It's a Sunday. It's a beautiful day. I think highs are supposed to be about 73, 74. And we're going to hook up with Bob and Amy. Going out for breakfast / lunch, so that'll be a brunch.
Yeah.
It's going to be a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So don't forget, come along with us and subscribe, ring the bell. Like Rita would say, whack that thing.
Whack that thing.
We'll catch ya in a few. So stay tuned. Well, we're off and running. Gonna go have our brunch.
Yeah.
There's Bob and Amy in front. I like it when Bob leads because he knows all the little roads. I got 71 on the bike, so it's not too bad.
Brisk.
It's refreshing. Beautiful day for riding. Ooh, nice. A little bit of countryside. Stay tuned. This was a cool road. Of course, I was looking at it and I said, oh, I should be taking a video of this. But very neat. Fly butterfly. Transfer road or something like that? I don't know. A lot of cool stuff. Little waterfall coming off the mountain earlier, and it was just there. Beautiful road, beautiful day. We're beautiful people.
Yes, sir. My laughing partner in crime.
Oh, last night was a trip.
Oh my God.
Laughed so much. That's your sister, babe.
It's my sister.
You two are like sisters.
Yep.
Sisters. Sisters.
I wore the dress and she stayed home. That usually it's the other way around.
Yeah. All right. Stay tuned. Oh, I already did, but I didn't okay yet.
Yeah, you just did.
Well,
$1.
I was proud of myself, so I had to say it. That I didn't do it. Thank you. Well, it doesn't want to shut off. Try that. Yep. It's still saying I'm recording. But up there, I am. And didn't want to shut off. What the hell? Another beautiful road. Yeah, after we have a brunch, we're gonna head to a car show. We were watching a lot of classic cars go by us, so we're gonna head back and catch the car show. So stay tuned for that. But this is still a beautiful road. Whee! Nice and squiggly. I want to shut it off, the camera, but I like this road. So, keep watching. We had a beautiful breakfast at King's, and of course we ate too much.
Nothing's new with that.
Would have been all right, but Dan Bob wanted some cinnamon rolls or something.
Times bigger than a cupcake.
Oh. And it's, yeah, eat it, eat it, eat it. No, I can't move. I guess we had breakfast, dinner, and supper all in one sitting.
Yep.
And now we're coming into Katanning, and you can make out the bridge. We're running on empty. We gotta go get gas. Good, in the neighborhood. Here we go, going over the Allegheny River. You go over this more times than you.
Yeah, at least. On one ride.
No matter which way we go, it's we always hit the Allegheny. So stay tuned. Nice little curvy road. Whee! Fun. This is a fun road.
Coming and going.
Yes. We're coming out of Templeton. There used to be a nice view from up here, but I don't know if you can see it through the trees. Yep. There's a pretty view. Whee! Oh, I missed it. I missed all the pretty view. Maybe there's another one. Car show in Reimersburg. Main Street was blocked off and a lot of cool cars. Some old, most of them were old, but then there were some new ones mixed in there.
Yeah.
So stay to the end of the video and I'll have a slideshow of the cars. But it was good. A little warm walking around, but now we're back on the road again. Stay tuned. Oh, we're coming into town. Oh. Can't see it through the houses, but it is the town. We had a beautiful day for a ride. What do you think, babe?
Absolutely.
Nice day. Finishing up and go home. Home, sweet home. Well, thanks for coming along with us today, and we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, subscribe, ring that bell, or whack that bell.
Whack it.
And like it, leave us a comment.
There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends. I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life, I've loved them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things